Hi, I'm Anton. This is day 43 of Daily Crypto Installment. Honestly, I recorded this video with a bit of a heavy heart, because the last transaction I uploaded was on February 21st. It's already April, so I have to upload more per day. Today, I'm making installments again as usual. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. And since today's topic is Bitcoin, I want to discuss one important point. Why do so many people hold Bitcoin for the long term? Because Bitcoin is like digital gold. It can't be reprinted, and there are only 21 million coins in total. The more people buy and hold it, the higher the demand, and the rarer it becomes. For example, someone bought Bitcoin in 2017 for 20 million Indonesian rupiah and held it until 2021. Its value increased more than tenfold. But remember, the price fluctuates. That's why I don't buy it all at once. I buy it in installments. If the price goes up, that's great. If it goes down, I get a discount. I don't understand everything about Bitcoin, but I believe that slowly I'm learning and becoming part of the future system. And if you've been on hiatus like me, it's okay, bro. The important thing is we're back. See you tomorrow on Ethereum.